Hey guys, today I have another Lookfantastic unboxing and this is the March box. It's a very heavy box and I think that the box is absolutely stunning. So I'm definitely going to be keeping this box and using it for other things. So let's dive into it. I wonder what is making it so heavy. It's so beautiful. So it says, I am fantastic, you are fantastic, we are fantastic. Very motivational, keeping that. So same thing, it comes with the magazine at the top and the magazine will have information on the products. So I'm not going to be looking at the magazine. And it also comes with an L magazine. This is the, March edition. Let me get it out. So this is the magazine. So the box this month is really pretty. Even the tissue paper is a pretty pastel pink. So let's dive into it. I'm very excited because everything looks like a really big size this time. So the first thing that I'm super excited for is this because this already looks like a full-size product. This is from the brand Omorovicza. I don't know. It's the balancing moisturizer. It is 30 ml and it's a glass bottle. Oh, that's why the box is so heavy. And it's good that it comes with a pump. Oops, that's too much. Oh, it smells good. Smells like herbs, but not too overpowering. But if you don't like fragrance, then maybe stay away from this. I definitely see this as a day cream under my makeup to moisturize my face as the first step because it isn't tacky and it sinks in really fast. Okay, so that was the first product and I'm pretty sure that it's a full-size item. And the next thing in the box, let's go for this. This is from the brand Skinchemists. It's the Rose Quartz Youth Defense Lip Plump. So it boosts plump and glow, so it's a lip plumper. This looks so pretty and this is 8 ml. So let's try. Oh, it's a very thick consistency. Doesn't smell like rose, smells minty. So I'm just going to swatch it here. Yeah, it doesn't have a color anyway. So it smells very minty like toothpaste and I'm just gonna try some now and see if it stinks, if it works. Ooh, it has peppermint oil in it, that's why it smells minty. Peppermint oil aims to make the lips look plumper and smoother. So I'm starting to feel it. It's not painful, it just feels cold. So let's see what happens later on. Okay, so I'm very excited for this because this is makeup product and this is from the brand Doucce. It's the Freematic Eyeshadow Duo. So it looks like there's two shades over here. There is shade 78 Kate and shade 81 Tenley. And I've heard about this brand. I've seen this brand in a beauty box before and I think they are the ones that have like this are magnetic and you can pull it out of the palette. I think this is the brand. So they both come with their own lid, so you don't have to buy the palette and you can just keep it like this. So shade 78 is Kate and it is like a, I would say shimmery gold color. Let's swatch it. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here beside the gloss. Not bad, not bad. And this is shade 81. It is a rich chocolate color. Okay, I'm gonna swatch it here. Ooh, oh, it's quite pigmented. I'm really excited for this. 2 eyeshadows in a beauty box and this can be used as an all over the lid shade and this you can use it on the outer corner. There isn't much sparkles in it, so you can even use it in the crease if you want. So excited for that. I think that must be my favorite thing in this box. Okay, so the next thing is a mask. And I love to put mask. This is from the brand Renuskin. It's the Flash Relax Mask for mature skin, instant face lift effect. And use 1 to 2 times per week. Massage in well and leave for 5 to 10 minutes and then you rinse it off. It's a gel mask. This is 30 ml and it is cruelty-free. And I like to support cruelty-free brands. So let's smell it. So as you can see, quite a lot came out and this smells like this. They smell very similar. Okay, so the next thing is also another makeup item. It is a brush. It's from the brand Styl London. And it's one of those foundation brushes, so not bad. It's quite flexible, but honestly I don't think I'll use this. So that's a pass from me. And then the next thing over here is a mask. It's from the brand Skimono. It says beauty mask, but it's for your feet. Ooh, I've never tried a feet mask. It is a total conditioning plus. So it's a deeply replenishing serum foot mask packed with olive oil, shea butter, tea tree chamomile. Smells good. Sounds good. It must smell good too. So you can wear this and then you can put a pair of socks over it, leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes and you don't have to rinse it after that. So once again, I went online, I got the prices of everything and then I divided them by the gram or ml to find out the exact price of each item. Okay, so the first thing on their official website, I didn't manage to find it on Lookfantastic website. This is the Skimono foot mask. One piece is $18.30. And you can use it for maximum 30 minutes. I'm gonna leave it on for the full 30 minutes since it costs so much. So that's really quite expensive. And next up, this thing, which is 30 ml. This is the balancing moisturizer from Omorovicza. This is ridiculous. So on Lookfantastic website, 50 ml is $156. This is 30 ml, so this puts it at $93.60, which is like how many times more than the amount you pay for the box. Next up, another product you can find on Lookfantastic website is the Renuskin Flash Relax Mask. 100 ml is $64. This is 30 ml, so this is $19.20. And then the lip plump. I really did not expect this price. I found it on the official website. This lip plump, 8 ml, $173.89. And also, just to check back on it, it did not get more and more tingly or painful. It's definitely not one of those that's painful. It's just cooling, really, just minty. It's very gentle, so I'm really excited to use this. It's also very good for beginners. So the next thing is the London Face Brush, Styl London. I can't find any information on it. And the next thing is something that I was so excited for. This is the Doucce eyeshadows. So $13.12 per piece. I have two pieces, so $26.24 for these two. So this month's box is definitely the most worth it because the total value of the box is $331.23. So let me tell you which items I'm most excited for. I'm most excited for this Doucce eyeshadow. I really wanted to try them out and I really am very interested to buy the palette now that I have two of them. And really excited for this lip plumper and did not expect it to be so expensive. And also this is such a good size product. 30 ml can definitely last you for a couple months. And also excited for the mask because I just really like wash off masks. But what I'm most excited about is that there is a giveaway and you get to win a mystery Lookfantastic beauty box. And all you have to do is, just click open the description box. The first line there will be a link. Just click on the link. You have to sign up there via that link. And then just make sure that you're actually already following Lookfantastic SG on Instagram. That's the 2 steps that you need to do. So just open the description box. Everything will be listed down below so you won't miss out on anything. And I'm really excited because one of you guys will get to enjoy a beauty box that is worth way more than you actually paid for, or in your case free. So I hope you're the lucky one to get it for free, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!